Antarctica and Arctic Ocean. Many high cliffs or rocky outcrops are there between them. Many seagulls or seabirds live on it. Seagulls fly far over the ocean in search of food. Sea fish, other small birds are their food. Florrie, where did Freddy go, Florrie? See if he started talking with other friends with the fish in his hand.
Yeah, I'm saying, Freddy. Freddy, where have you been all this time? Dad was looking for you. Holding a costly fish like salmon, you are roaming around here and there.
Just being a skilled fish catcher isn't enough. You need to follow the rules and regulations. Sometimes you won't go fishing with friends. Thrill of the hunt will give you satisfaction. The more fish you can catch, the more respect you will earn as a proficient angler in the society. Remember, you're Albert Seagull's son. I've never wasted my time by chit-chatting like you.
I wasn't just chatting, I was arguing. I can't keep quiet if someone says something to Flighty. Flighty, my brother, he's grown up, but he still can't fly. He's so scared. I know it is shameful of being a seagull, but why would I listen to outsiders' advice for that?
Shut up. Cliff has arrived.
I have arranged everything at home neatly. In the kitchen, I have stored all the fish in the ice. It's the same routine every day. And my friends Kale, Ali and Alira are all flying in the sky. They are catching fish by leaping from the cliff, and I am still. Mother, you have come. What did you bring, Mother? What did you bring? Salmon fish. Darling, have you done the household chores?
Now try to fly a little, Flighty. You're Albert Seagull's son, and you still can't fly. You're 2 years old, son.
Let's go to the cliffs field, Flighty. We will practice jumping.
Yes, let's go, brother.
He's not becoming a seagull, rather a penguin. He walks more, waddles less. Yes, can't you see this? He has no desire to swim inside him. Any enthusiasm, lack of space. Will he stay home like this all his life?
Let's see if Freddy can do something to make him fly.
Only we depend on it. Let's see what Freddy can do.
Flighty, my little boy, why can't you fly? Why can't you fly, my dear? I don't like it at all. Everyone says about. Hey, Flighty bro, today how far will you fly? To the middle?
Must be in the middle, not in the sea, but in the cliff.
Oh, Flighty brother, hold your brother's hand and fly.
Flighty, see that the wings do not fall while flying.
I can fly far if I want. My brother gets afraid, so I don't go.
Flighty, run fast and jump to the cliff now. Don't be afraid, brother.
Okay, brother, from now I will fly.
How to fly from now on, brother? How to force the wing? Speed will be slow. Look at this, how I am doing. See, Flighty, this is how you can fly. Woohoo! Now, how I did, you also do.
Look, Samson, the joker is coming. Look, Samson, the joker is running. What a funny face.
He's running like a chicken.
Why they come to waste time?
Flighty, open your wings. Flew as I did. The edge of the cliff has arrived. Do the jump. Jump.
He's not able to fly. What a fun.
A chicken came dressing like a seagull. But how did a chicken manage to come in seagull's house? Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Get a Flighty. Run again. Do it again. Do it again. Why can't you do it? Do it. Do it again. Do it. Do it again.
Brother, I'm afraid of the ditch. How deep it is.
If you stick with concentration, success will come. You couldn't do it even today. Let's go home.
You know, Mom, today I almost jumped again. Brother blocked me so. Otherwise. But it won't work if you stop, honey. You will have to fly.
Wow, you're feeding him. Feed as long as it lasts. In the seagull's house, chicken has come.
Albert, don't say it like that.
And how to say? How long will he able to fly like this? Who will feed him?
Flighty will fly. Flighty will fly in his own time, you will see.
I'll see. I'll see today and tomorrow also.
Father, I visited the first cliff today. There are many fish.
This is my son, my pride.
Got a new fish. Brought for you.
Ready, brother? No, from today, no more fish will be given to Flighty. He will get fish only if he brings it himself. Otherwise, not.
Flory didn't give any fish to the Flighty that day. Flory, come. Freddy, Flighty, where are you all?
Don't give fish to Flighty.
Why?
He has to prove that he is not a chick but a seagull. Only then will he get fish. He will catch fish himself.
But that will take time.
Until then, he will not eat. Mom, how can you do that? I'm very hungry. Should I try? I can't bear it anymore. No, I can't do it. I can't. Go take that. Mother! I am very hungry. I can't bear it anymore. How hard it is, I will jump. Mom! 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 I can fly! I can fly! I can fly, Mom! I can fly!
Oh my God! Who is this?
Hey! I'm not the chick! I am Flighty, the seagull. Now I will catch fish in the sea. I think my son has fallen from the cliff and died.
Don't cry. I'm going to check where is he.
Hey, that's Flighty, right?
Huh? Huh?
My son has learned to fly. My son has learned to fly. My Flighty, you did it, my son.
My brave boy Flighty, he has brightened my face.
Flighty, you have learned how to fly.
If you stick with concentration, success will come.
Let's go, Flighty. Let's fly together.
Hey chickens, how are you all? Hey Flighty, you can fly so good.
How much I have told you? Please don't mind Flight.
Never mind, friends. If you stick with concentration, success will come. What say, brother?
Absolutely, brother. If I can do it, you all can also do it.
Because if you stick with concentration, success will come. What say, brother?
Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming videos.